I love this song so much. Peter Tosh.
Little darling, it's been a long, long, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright. Little darling, the smiles are returning to their faces. Little darling, it seems like years since they've been there. But here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright.
What do I look like? I look like my ancestors, don't I?
I see the icy slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since they've been here. Here comes the sun. There goes the snow, and I say, it's alright.
Our ancestors covered their head for a reason.
I see the icy slowly melting. Little darling,
Our ancestors had beards
since they've been
for a reason.
here comes the sun. There goes the snow, and I say, it's
Our
alright.
ancestors ate nature's food for a reason.
Little darling, the smiles are returning to their faces. Little
Our
darling,
ancestors told us
like
if we lived
since they've been
within nature, we'd be alright.
here comes the sun.
But if we
I say,
step out of nature,
sun, it's
we'll catch hell. And look around now. We're catching hell. People, women getting raped, babies getting raped, people killing each other, stealing, robbing, just fighting everybody, hating people. Hate, my goodness, hate. It's like the new fashion now.
strange, but I mean it's absurd. I'm not gonna leave you no more. It's so strange, but I mean
It's about time.
absurd.
It's about time we listen to our ancestors.
It seems like your smile is hiding tears
For real.
that you won't cry. Tell me you can't deny.
It's about time we listen to our ancestors. It's about time we became our ancestors. If you know my Our ancestors were spiritual beings. We don't even know what spirituality is. And that is damn shame.
Skip the life and let it go. Turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kinda seasick. And the crowd pulled out close.
R.B. Greaves.
The room was humming harder.
This is a nice song right here. Men, this is all to this is to the men all around the world. Start respecting your women. Their women. If you have a mate, start respecting them. Start loving them. Stop treating them right. Start. You disrespect the women, the whole world is gonna come down. We disrespecting women. That's why we're in the place we're in. That's why we're catching hell. How did you get here? Think about it. You came through the womb. You didn't come out of ass. You came through the womb. So respect the women. Love your mothers. Respect the women. Anywhere you want to go, anywhere, it's through the womb. That's it. The womb is your only way that'll get you from point A to point B, from point B to point A. That's that womb. That's it. Do you think it's a coincidence that, you know, women are put down and men are running this planet, this world? Women are being treated like shit, like they're like dogs. Like, man, they get treated so, they get raped, they get, man, kidnapped, all that stuff. A wise man once said, a nation is strong as the woman is, or as the women of that nation are. So it's always about the women, because women are the only ones that can give life. Women are the only ones that can give life. Men, we're supposed to protect the women and children. That's it. But somehow we were taught to just disrespect the women. I'm old school. I may be young, but I'm old school. My soul is old. It's always been old. In my whole life, people couldn't figure me out because I did things different. A lot of things didn't make sense to me. I always stood out. And the women love me because they can sense my soul, that's why. But yeah, it's time to raise our women back up. It's time to raise our women back up. And you women, put yourself on that pedestal. Raise up. Raise up. Because if you're down in the bottom like shit, taking all that shit from every angle, the whole world is going to be shit. But if you rise up, the whole world will rise up. The whole world. Because no man can live without a woman. I'll give you an example. Kill every woman on the planet right now. It'll be just men, right? the last generation will be the youngest child. That'll be the last. But kill all the men and leave the women. The planet will go on forever. Because a woman can get pregnant without a man. See, that's what these dumb men don't understand. They were brain dirtied, not brainwashed. They've been brain dirtied. They've been programmed that a woman needs a man to get pregnant. A woman needs a man's sperm to get pregnant. That's about the dumbest shit ever. It's not the dumbest shit because that's how we do it now because we're in the lowest form right now because our vibration is so low. So we can raise our vibration and women can get pregnant without having sex. That's proven fact, baby. A woman's egg only needs a spark, and there is plenty way to get that spark. A man's sperm happens to be one of them. But yeah, let's treat our women right. Women rise up, eat nature's food. Nature will tell you what to do. Nature will tell you what to do. Don't take shit from anybody. Walk with your heads held high. Walk with your heads held high. Walk with your chest out like you own this planet. Nobody will fuck with you. Trust me. Trust me on this. You see me in public, you be like, damn, that motherfucker's something else. For real. It's no joke. It's no joke. It's no joke. Man, you wasn't born to be treated like shit. You were created to be somebody, because you are somebody. So raise yourself up, woman. Don't take shit from anybody. If your man giving you hell, dump that motherfucker. Because there are real men out there that you deserve, or they deserve you, whichever way works. You don't need no damn man in your life. You do, don't get me wrong. Don't think you can do shit by yourself, women. You can't, because you need your other half. Plus or minus go together. That's when you become one powerful being. But if your other half is giving you hell, is trying to treat you like shit, fuck that motherfucker, man. For real. You got real men out there. And don't start hitting me up and shit, but real talk though, all jokes aside. Like, find a man that knows your value, that'll treat you like a woman. Keep that. Because you always need your other half. Don't think you can do it by yourself, because you will fall down. It's always oneness. Oneness will get you everywhere. Every damn where. Anyways, gotta go. 13 love, 13 wisdom to myself, 13 knowledge to myself, 13 respect to myself. 13. Women, get back to nature. Women, get back to nature. When you get back to nature, the whole planet will get back to nature. You're out of nature right now, so if the whole planet going crazy. Get back to nature. Eat nature's food. Plant your motherfucking feet, for real. Eat nature's food. Meditate. Sun gaze. Get that sun. Look at my skin. Look at my skin. Look. I just got out the shower with no makeup, nothing like that, and I'm beautiful. Look at that. You see that? That's nature. Look at that. No makeup. I'm beautiful. My skin is beautiful because I eat nature's food. I get that sun nutrient. So you just stop your bullshit and talking about you need makeup, all this and this and that. You don't need a goddamn thing. If you loved yourself how you is, you be alright. You look as beautiful as me. Man, forget me. You would look more beautiful. Because you are that beautiful being. I came out of you. So if I'm this beautiful, I can only imagine how beautiful you be. Because you are that original beautiful thing. So let's get back to that. Cut that makeup bullshit out. You look ugly as fuck. You look like a clown with that shit on. I don't mean no disrespect. It's just real talk. You're more beautiful when you're natural. As is. You wasn't born with makeup on. When you were a baby, your skin was this beautiful. The minute you start putting that makeup on, the minute you start eating meat, the minute you started eating shit, that's when your skin started producing pimples and shit like that. It looked like a crocodile skin. All due respect, I don't mean no. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to make you see something. You're beautiful as is. These motherfuckers out here turned you into some shitty ass. Anyways, 13 love, be safe, rise up, get back to nature, and you'll look good as me. 13 love.